Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Thursday, February 10th. Tesla is delaying more Model X orders. Last year, the automaker didn't produce the Model X for about 8 months as it refreshed both the Model X and S programs and focused on the X production first. During those 8 months, the automaker kept taking orders, even though they already had a backlog beforehand. Recently, many buyers are reporting that Tesla has given them vague windows of delivery, and as of now, the website guides orders for January of 2023. Well, Elon Musk said on Twitter, quote, "We dropped the ball badly regarding new Model X production ramp and still haven't fully recovered. It was idiotic to stop production of an old Model X in December of 2020, and there's still plenty of demand." He went on to also say, quote, "Model X is an extremely difficult car to build. Most complex passenger car ever. Limiting factor is interior trim." Tesla lost its executive in charge of new vehicle programs, Alan Clark, who has been in charge of several important engineering programs. And for now, he's going to work on Ford electric vehicles. After working on a variety of programs, including the Model S, X, different batteries, suspension, and exterior components, Clark was quickly promoted to Director of New Program Engineering, a role that he has been holding at Tesla for the last 4 years. In this role, he led several important programs for Tesla, including Chief Engineer for Tesla Roadster prototype. He was leading the architecture for the Model 3 and Y, as well as engineering the Cybertruck prototype. 10 years at Tesla can be seen as a feat in itself, given the high turnover with big tech companies. Tesla was hit by yet another recall today as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration asked the automaker to disable the Boombox feature. That feature allows drivers to play sounds through their car's external speakers when in drive. Using the external speakers meant for pedestrian warning sounds, the Boombox feature enables drivers to play pre-selected sounds through the speakers. They can customize that to pretty much anything they want, including the sound of a fart. Interestingly, in the safety recall notice, they admit that the feature does result in making the car more noticeable, which is actually the goal of the pedestrian warning sound in the first place. However, they deem it a safety risk for non-compliance. This is Tesla's 4th so-called recall forced by the NHTSA in just a few weeks. All of them only required an over-the-air software update. Tesla has released a quick sneak peek of the paint shop inside Gigafactory Berlin, which the automaker has been taunting as the most advanced paint shop yet. In the new video, it is actually featured as a recruitment effort, as they listed several new positions inside the shop. For the sake of the expressive, this would hopefully lead to new color options for the automaker. It's literally been years since Tesla launched a new vehicle paint color. Late last year, 3 new colors did appear inside the Tesla app, hinting at new options: Deep Crimson Multicoat, Abyss Blue Multicoat, and Mercury Silver Metallic. The Ford F-150 Lightning may very well be using a version of Tesla's Summon feature. Maybe, in the future. The Ford Pass Connect app was last updated on January 31st and carries some new images inside that indicate a remote parking feature is planned for the app. The images can be found in numerous places and can be seen to indicate that a user with a phone can, I suppose, drive the vehicle forward or backward into a parking spot. The app images appear to have an unlock protection so that users don't pocket drive by mistake. It's uncertain whether this functionality will make it to other vehicles. Although we tried, a Ford spokesperson said that they don't comment on speculation. General Motors is entering the Super Bowl ad fray with a short spot promoting their Ultium battery line. It features Mike Myers and the Evil Villain Gang reprising their roles from Austin Powers, as they jokingly allude that the vehicle might achieve a range of 1 million miles.
How far do you think GM's Ultium EVs can go?
180 miles.
More? 300 miles?
1 million miles?
Following entry into the Norwegian EV market last year, XPeng Motors is expanding to the Netherlands and Sweden, opening branded retail stores. In the Netherlands, XPeng has signed a collaboration with Emil Frey Netherland NV, which will help develop the automaker's sales and service network while managing XPeng branded stores throughout the country. In Sweden, XPeng has shared news of a similar approach with Bilia, the largest automobile distributor in the country that consists of 58 dealers and 66 service centers. Tomorrow, the Chinese automaker will open its first experience store in Stockholm. It'll be a self-operated retail location, mainly for the international market. But it won't be the last. A representative for XPeng told Electrek that the P5 sedan will be on display at the new store in Sweden tomorrow, and consumers can expect to see it available in Europe in the future. In today's community comment, thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.